In a time and age when requirements for SPMs or special purpose machines are gaining momentum, we, Eiser Automation, have been a leading producer of world-class solutions for over 1 decade consistently. We at Eiser Automation design, develop and manufacture technologically advanced SPMs that meet the demands and requirements across all sectors and industries. These SPMs are tailor-made for every application. Hence, offering advantages of higher productivity with consistent quality, reduced cycle time, a smaller footprint and lesser manpower cost. Our brand Eiser Automation, a German word meaning iron worker, is doing the phenomenal work of not only designing and manufacturing these machines but also providing consultancy to its clients to establish and run automated lines in their plants. These machines are custom made with special tooling and fixtures that consistently produce the required output. Eiser Automation was conceived and nurtured by a visionary entrepreneur and technocrat Manish Ahuja, who belonged to a respectable business family of Faridabad, having company name of Mio Metals. A manufacturer of copper capillary tubes for air conditioning and refrigeration, started in the year 2006. Mio Metal is also into manufacturing of sheet metal and fabricated auto parts for over a decade. It is Manish Ahuja's passion and deep desire to make a mark on his own away from his family legacy that has led to the formation of Eiser Automation that has over the years become a trusted name in SPMs in India.